5054 June 2007 paper 4. This is ATP automated electrical. In this question is about reflection of light. Question number 2. Figure shows a ray of light incident on a plane mirror. Right. So this will be your incident, and this is the shiny surface, which is a plane mirror. So a light is incident from this direction on the mirror. Question number part 1. On figure 2.1, draw the normal of the normal at the point where the ray strikes the mirror. So we know the theory, normal is perpendicular to the plane. So with the help of D, we measure the perpendicular, right? So by this, so this will be by rotate like this, okay, and this will be the perpendicular market, and then so this will be the normal. Uh, it will represent, always represent as a dotted line. Now, part 2, measure the angle of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence is actually the angle from the normal. So we will do what? We will put the D or the protector. So like this way, right, right, and this way. Put the compass like this. So have to be very careful, and the incident is like it's from here, so be like 60 degree, almost 60 degree, right? So this the arrangement is a little bit uh, so accurate. So it is 60 degree. So the answer is 60 degree. Now the constructive part. So this is a to construct few things. We will follow the instruction as it is given. The student investigate the effect on the reflected ray, right, when the plane mirror is rotated. So pins P1 and P2 are placed in the incident ray. So initially it is from A, it is in the position A, and the P1 and P2 is incident on it. So that when the P1 and P2 is incident on it, this will be the reflected ray, right? Now what they did, they rotate the mirror with the angle of 20 degrees. So when they rotate, the reflection becomes from P2, P5 and P6 like this. So so what they ask, we will do the same. The mirror is originally at position in position A. Pins P3 and P4 are placed reflected ray. Right. Figure 2.2. Draw the reflected ray from the mirror position A. So we need what we will draw a plane. This will be the normal. I'm actually making it, doing it approximation, right? So what we'll do, we will put right this angle, right, rotate it, place it here, like this, 90 degree.
Okay, so this will be the the dash line represented as a normal. We put the dashes over here. So this will be the normal. Now, the next they want me us to do. On figure 2.2, draw a reflected ray from the mirror in position A, right? So this will be the position, right? And then the mirror is then rotated 20 degrees to the position B. Pins 5 and 6 are placed in the reflected ray. Draw the reflected ray in the mirror in the position B. So here is that, here is the position, right? This. Then measure the angle Y between the two reflected rays. So this will be the angle Y. This is what the angle Y. The angle of the difference between the two reflected rays, which is 40.3. So measure the angle Y between, it is 40.3. So part 5, it is suggested that Y is equals to CZ, where C is the constant and Z is the angle between the mirror position A and mirror position B, which is 20 degrees. Determine C. So if Y equals CZ, then C will be Y over Z, Y over Z. So 40.3 divided by 20, right? Divided by 20, this is Z. So, which is 2 point, almost 2.015, right? So, from this equation, it is stated that this is the gradient and gradient is is constant. So, y over x, we will always get c. Whatever be the value of y and whatever be the value of z, right? We will get what? Same c. So describe how to extend the experiment to check the relationship. Info is correct. So very simple. If we plot a line between y and x, right, and z, we will got always got the straight line, right? So that means the ratio is always constant. So rotate the mirror for further 20 degree. Before it was 20 degree, now we moved mirror for further 20 degree and measure the y between the new reflected ray and the P3 P4 ray. So it must be around 80, means double of multiple of this 2.015. So by this we will move further 20 degree more and check. So when this C becomes same, that means the relationship is correct.